All right, so you guys remember the Kia Stinger that I did in green? He's right outside. It's been a couple months and he's back because something damaged his wrap. So let's go and check out what's wrong with this car. It's looking good. Just pull it over. Yeah, leave it at like kind of an angle so I can see this damage. Okay. How have you enjoyed it so far?
I love it, dude.
You love it?
Yeah, again, a lot of compliments too.
Sweet.
Yeah, I was riding in the city one time, and dude, while we're driving, he's like, "Hey, what kind of car is that, bro? I've never seen it before." And you know, I just get that all the time. Like a bunch of people just say that.
Yeah, because it looks different in this color, huh?
Yeah, it's dope, dude.
The chameleon green gold. I think you're really the only one around here in this color.
I think so.
Yeah.
I haven't seen anybody else on your channel have it.
No, no. There's one. There's like a Lexus that was done in like Canada.
Yeah.
Or something. He has that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna let him in. Okay, hold on. You got it?
Yep.
All right. That's Dad, right?
Yep, that's Dad.
All right. So what happened?
Well, Dad is the culprit.
Oh, you're the one.
Sorry, man.
But that's the nice thing about wrap. Easily fixable.
Yeah.
All right. Show us the damage.
It was really windy, and he opened his door.
Uh-huh.
And I was parked right next to him, so his door flew open and just smacked me.
Oh, damn. Okay, right there.
Yeah.
So you want me to just wrap that without? You're not gonna take the dent out?
I don't know how deep it is because I haven't taken off the wrap, so I don't know. We might have to sand it down though. That's what I'm saying.
Well, no. What I advise you to do in this scenario is we're gonna just wrap over it, and then you take it to a paintless dent remover guy. There's a guy around here. I'll give you the info.
Okay.
He might even be open today since you're in town. You might as well stop by and he'll just bang that out.
Okay.
It looks like it's pretty deep.
Yeah.
But I mean, all I could do is just wrap it. But you want to sand it too?
Oh no, it was just you. I know you wanted to get rid of the dent, so that was just an option. But whatever you think, we can go to the.
Well, I mean, all right. Hold on, let me see. So what we're gonna do is open the door.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, let me go to that.
So you got an SUV or something? That's why it's higher?
SUV. Yeah, that one.
What do you think of this wrap?
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Oh, man, he was like I cut his finger off or something, man.
It's okay. That's why we wrap, because when it gets damaged, you can just re-wrap it. So this episode is going to be about how wrap can easily be changeable, and if it happens, it happens. Sometimes it will protect your paint, but this one hit hard enough where it did not. So I'm going to show you what this looks like, because a lot of people are probably curious about this process. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel this off real quick, and I'm going to just put a piece right on top. Let me grab my knife. Right here, I got one. All right, so this is what it looks like here. You want to hold this real quick? Yeah. Film me, you cameraman, you cameraman, bro. All right, so we're gonna cut this off, and here's what it's gonna look like when we rewrap it. Okay, so when you wrap over a damaged piece, that's what it will look like, unsanded or anything like that. What do you think? I don't recommend that you sand it from the way it looks now. I think you should take it to the dent guy and they'll just bang it out
real quick.
And then that way you don't have a big ass sanding spot.
Yeah, exactly.
And when they hit it from the back, when they hit it from the back, this dimple will just even out. You'll just have like an uneven paint mark right here, but it's very nominal. And then you really can't see it because the wrap's covering it up. See? Okay. See how you can see slightly, but
a little bit.
But once you have someone knock the dent out of it, it's fine. The Audi that I had over there, it had I'll take that. It had a big old gash right over here. Like we ran into this corner on the door. It was on the other side, but on the door it was just like a big old like that. It just dented in, and then they just hammered. They just hit it.
How long does that take?
That dent probably like an hour or two or something like that. You gonna be in Sacramento for a while, for a couple days?
Nah, we're just coming
Oh, okay.
just for that. That's what I'm doing.
Any dent removal, paintless dent removal service will do it for you. Those guys, they got a bag full of tools, and then they use a light, and then they specialize in bending metal and making it normal again. So there should be one in your area.
Yeah.
If you can't find one, you can come back here and use my guy that's near me.
Yeah.
But anyway, you got the door handles off and all that stuff, so you guys can go grab some food. I'm gonna rock this door out real quick, and then you can come back probably about an hour or so.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
All right, man. We'll see you soon. So, very easy for you to do this part. This is really why I wrap, because all kinds of stuff happens if you're paying a lot of money for like a really fancy paint job like this. Look at that. Let me know in the comments how much a paint job like this costs. With a color shifting gold to green with a whole bunch of flake on it. If you dinged it, for them to match it and all that stuff, I don't know. Let me know. If you're a painter in the comments, give me an estimate. We still have material left over, so I'm just charging him like 100 bucks. We're gonna redo this door with the old material. So that's kind of nice that you have extra material as well, because a lot of people are like, oh, how many feet do I need to wrap my car, right? And I'm like, 60 feet would do any car. And they're like, can I get like 54 feet? No, 60 feet, okay, is the standard roll. It would do any car. If you want to know how to wrap any car with a 60 feet roll, go to this video up here, okay? That will, if you follow that guide, you can't go wrong. But it's always nice to have extra, so in case you mess up, right, and you have to buy another roll, get another roll, because when stuff hits you like this, you can go ahead and fix it yourself because you wrapped it the first time. All right, let's peel this thing. So it's a little hard to peel because it's kind of warm, but you can see how it comes off. My material is very nice. Comes off without any heat, with no glue residue. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna get the heat gun. I'm gonna finish peeling this. So for a rewrap on any color, you want to make sure that the color shifting matches. So I did a video where I messed up and I did it backwards. What happened was I went to redo a panel or something, and then I wrapped it like this. All right, but when I did the whole car, I wrapped it this way.
Did you learn from that mistake?
Oh yeah, we did a whole Paradox Exposed video on that one. Okay, so you want to, from after that, I learned that you want to make sure you do the car the same way all the time. So how I do the cars now is that I do it where the color, it flows all the way around the car like this, right? So don't worry, here's how you do it. So you get the whole car in the shot, right? All right. So you want to do the whole car all the way around in this way. So when I pull the car into the garage, I start on that side and I unroll it from that fender to the back. And then when I do this side, I unroll it from this back quarter panel to the front fender. All right, so that way it always matches. I think that, yeah, okay. Anyway, so on this side here, you're gonna wanna roll it out like this so that it covers the whole thing and it lines up with the color shifting. Sometimes the gloss colors or the matte colors, they're single color, they can go any direction, but you always want to treat it as if it was directional, okay? All right, and then we're just gonna cut this sucker down like this. That covers the whole panel. Okay. And since I'm wrapping outside, I'm gonna make sure I'm using this thing to blow the air from behind it so that we get any contaminants or anything like that off. But before we do that, we're gonna cut. Oh, yeah. We're gonna cut it to shape. So. I'm just gonna use this tool thing.
Okay.
kind of like that.
Yeah. Can't see.
What?
Just couldn't see when you were cutting.
Yeah, there you go. All right, there.
Luna.
So now it's the shape, and then we can just
Luna
get.
fan, Luna fan.
Look
Luna
at her go.
fan.
Look at her
Oh,
go. She's getting big.
Luna's getting big. Quincy, Quincy. Hey, Luna. Okay.
Since this is a short video, we'll do a live door wrapping. Okay. So you want to peel it kind of like that, to where. Man, stop barking. All right. Peel it to where it's not exposed to the air, and you just kind of find the body line and then just run it against the body line. Put a two right there, and you go the other side, you pull it, okay, you line up that body line there, you cinch the top down. Where's my squeegee? Okay. I haven't even taken the protective cap off of it yet because it's kind of a flat panel. I don't need to take the cap off because I don't really need to stretch it until like down here. All right, so right here you just use the body line as your guide and you start squeegeeing it down. I'm going to take the cover off now. That way I can stretch it. There's a little wrinkle right here. So I'm going to get rid of the wrinkle. Okay. And then I'm just going to take this whole thing. I got heat up.
What is that?
What?
What's that? Oh, it's the door. Okay.
All right. There you go. So you can pretty much wrap anywhere as long as it's in the shade. So you can get a tent if you like live in an apartment or something. Get one of those like tents off of Amazon, or do it in a carport. Wherever you want to do it. As long as there's not a lot of wind and you're in the shade, you can do this. Okay. Even if there is some wind, all you gotta do is make sure that you're not lifting up where stuff can blow under it. Luna. Luna. Oh, her breath stinks. Okay. So this part it curves in a little bit, so you want to heat it up and then you just put it down like that. And you can use your palm to kind of just flatten things out. It's better to use your palm on like curved parts, because you can feel if it's cinching or not. Okay. There you go. Bubble. bubble. There you go. Get all the bubbles out. So this material has really nice air release. You can see how I can just push those bubbles out with my finger. Okay. Luna, get out the way. Jesus.
Mm.
Okay. And then once you get down here, you can use the squeegee. And then you want to heat up real quick when you get to the curve. No stretch. Just want to relax it so it can make it over this curve here. So I'm going to cinch the byline, and then I'll start in the middle. Always start in the middle. Okay. And over here, do this part. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. Bam. Okay, that's it. Then the door handle. I show this a bunch of times in time lapse, but we're going to show you how to do this normally. So you want to just heat it up. Your door handle is removed, of course. And you just want to heat that up nicely, and you start in the middle. You separate the two pieces with both your thumbs, and then you push to the little hole over here. Uh-oh, see, look, I cinched it. I'll show you how to fix that in a second. If you cinch it, don't worry. Okay, you can always fix it. That's the nice thing about wrap. Okay, so that wrinkle right there, you're gonna feel for this thing, and you're gonna cut that out. And you're just gonna reach back, pop it up a little bit, heat it, and it's gone. All right, there you go. Then we just cut this whole thing out, and we're all good to go. Yeah, so you just want to work it into all these curves and stuff like that, and then you cut it out very carefully, and you're good to go, and you got a new door. All right, cool. Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.
The review. No, I'm just playing.
That's what I was just telling him. I'm like, you gotta act excited.
All right, okay. Take a look. What do you think?
Oh yeah, you can tell, huh?
Of course you can tell. There's a dent there.
Yeah.
But your gash is gone, so like I said, the dent guy will probably be able to help you.
Yeah.
But it's better than running around with a big gash.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have the keys, right? You didn't give me the keys?
Yeah, I got the keys.
Okay, I was like, I don't know where the keys are.
Nice, looks nice.
There you go, nice and quick.
Yeah, as long as the
yeah, as long as this, I also
water
don't
can't
want,
get in it.
yeah, I just don't
Of
want
course
this.
not.
Yeah.
Yeah, this material is waterproof.
Yeah,
so I
that's
mean,
nice.
yeah.
I just want that gash going on, dude.
Yeah, so you gotta get someone to bang it out.
Yeah, I can do that.
Probably like $100 or something like that.
Yeah, for sure.
They can do it.
Yeah, but you gotta like go like this to like see it.
Oh yeah,
It's still there, though.
because you're the owner. You're always gonna know that's there, but
Exactly.
no one else is gonna actually pay attention. Well, everyone who's watching this video is gonna know.
Exactly.
But cool.
Awesome. Thank
All right, man. Looking good. Okay, the rest of the car is looking nice too.
you. Yes, sir.
And we only got enough to do one more door.
Oh.
All right. Hey, when you go out and park hella far away from everybody.
From him,
Okay. All right, let me get you out of here.
Good job, man.
Hey, no problem. All right, there you go. He's on his way. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If it was instructional and if it was helpful, let me know in the comments. So until next time, like, comment, subscribe. If you see his Kia on the road, honk at the man. I'll catch you guys later.